are honored to have with us Jyoti Dey, who is Regional General Counsel of CDP. Thank you very much, Jyoti, for joining us today. Would you please start by describing a little bit about what CDP does?
CDP is basically a disclosure platform for environmental disclosures. So as part of the ESG, we're primarily focused on the environmental aspects like climate, water, forests, and now we've introduced plastics as well.
Can you please describe for us some of your most notable or noteworthy accomplishments or achievements?
My role really comes in as a lawyer for the region, where I'm trying to really balance or strike a balance between the regulations, the demands of the corporates, or just bridge the understanding between what is required in the law and what is it that CDP is aiming to do.
Can you elaborate a little bit more about those challenges?
The biggest challenge is really to strike that balance between what is the organizational objective, the strategic thinking about wanting to operate in a market, and also balancing the regulatory requirements while still being able to be present in the country.
What do you enjoy most about your work and your current role?
The mission has to be close to your heart to be able to want to make that difference.
If you could do one thing differently, what would that be?
I would have probably pursued courses which were more for my interest rather than just go with the flow. But I guess times were very different then, when you didn't have that many choices of like the way you have now, of taking subject matters which are of your interest rather than following a standard protocol or a standard syllabus that we had.
Do you have any advice for some of these young lawyers?
Be out there, don't be afraid of taking in challenges of, if you're a corporate lawyer, of giving decisions to, at any level, just think of yourself as somebody who's very empowered, because a lot of things which I think young lawyers feel is they don't feel empowered in their roles. And I think feeling empowered in just thinking that you can, actually, you're right there to be able to do the right things, can really bring a lot of spirit into your job, and you'd feel very excited about the role that you have.